Welcome to Auto Addicts, your favorite place for car lovers and gearheads who live for power, design, and innovation. Before we dive into today's thrilling review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Auto Addicts. Because today, we're talking about a true rebirth of an icon, the 2026 Ford Sierra Cosworth. This is not just a car, it's a living legend reimagined for a new generation, blending its raw rally DNA with cutting-edge modern engineering. The moment you see the 2026 Sierra Cosworth, you instantly know Ford is paying tribute to its glorious past. The car's exterior design brings back the iconic lines of the original 80s rally machine, but with a futuristic twist. It has that wide muscular stance with flared wheel arches, a bold front splitter, and that unmistakable rear wing, a modern homage to its motorsport roots. The sleek LED matrix headlights sit within a sculpted hood that looks ready to tear through the air, while aerodynamic vents channel wind precisely where it's needed. The blend of nostalgia and innovation is perfect. It's as if the 1987 Cosworth met the future and decided to take it for a spin. From the side, you'll notice how balanced the proportions are. Not overly bulky, but aggressive enough to mean business. The 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires, the carbon fiber side skirts, and the subtle Cosworth badging remind you this isn't just another Ford. It's a performance icon reborn. Around the back, the full-width LED taillight bar and the dual titanium exhaust give it a truly menacing look, especially at night. Everything about the Sierra Cosworth screams precision and speed. Now step inside and you'll feel Ford's new vision for performance interiors. The 2026 Sierra Cosworth keeps things sporty and purposeful. The cockpit is entirely driver-focused, with a digital 12-inch instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to performance telemetry. The flat-bottom steering wheel, trimmed in Alcantara and featuring the signature Cosworth logo, gives you that race-ready feel. The seats are deep, bucket-style, upholstered in a mix of leather and suede, designed to hug you during high-speed cornering, yet remain comfortable for daily driving. Technology is another strong point. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford's latest Sync 5 system with AI-assisted driving data. The sound system, tuned by Bang & Olufsen, gives a crystal-clear experience, but let's be honest, the real music comes from under the hood. The cabin lighting can change colors based on driving modes, giving the whole interior a futuristic glow. Every detail, from the stitching to the carbon accents, feels carefully thought out, functional, sporty, but luxurious enough to make you forget you're sitting in a rally-inspired beast. And speaking of beasts, let's talk about performance. Under the hood lies a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine. But this isn't your typical four-cylinder. Tuned by Cosworth engineers, it now pushes out over 400 horsepower with lightning-fast throttle response and an aggressive exhaust note that reminds you of its rally heritage. Paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, the Sierra Cosworth rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds. It grips corners like it's on rails, thanks to adaptive suspension and a precision-tuned chassis. The driving modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, track, and rally. Yes, rally mode, which adjusts power distribution, suspension stiffness, and traction control for those who want to relive the Sierra's rally legend days. The steering is sharp, responsive, and perfectly balanced, making the car feel alive and connected to every move you make. In terms of efficiency, Ford has added a mild hybrid system that improves fuel economy and boosts low-end torque, proving performance and practicality can coexist. The expected price for the 2026 Ford Sierra Cosworth starts around $55,000, going up to $65,000 for the high-performance variant. For what you get, timeless design, heart-pounding performance, and that nostalgic Cosworth badge, it's an absolute dream for enthusiasts. The 2026 Sierra Cosworth is more than just a comeback. It's a statement. It shows that Ford hasn't forgotten what made driving thrilling in the first place: emotion, noise, and connection. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's built to make your pulse race every time you press the pedal. So what do you think? Has Ford nailed the perfect mix of old-school charm and new-age technology? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Addicts, hit that like button, and share this video with other car enthusiasts. This is Auto Addicts, where passion meets performance and legends are reborn.